This is my mother's homework notebook from when she went to school for fashion designing. Let me show you. Let's take a look. Okay, here we have a very simple, very basic, simple straight skirt. The measurements there on the left. Waistline, hip level. Now notice the paper. It's a very light, sheer, lightweight paper that they were using. And there's the same skirt, but she added a pleat. Looks like a box pleat at center front. There's your pleat right there. And now we have a pleated skirt. There's the pleats using the slash and spread technique, very popular in pattern making, slash and spread method. Same thing, this is the back of it, slash and spread, there it is. And another variation of a box pleat, there is the pleat in the front, a little box pleat in this front of the skirt. This is a wrap skirt. Notice the closure, the buttons, right, are not on center front. They're off to the side. That's a wrap skirt. Looks like an asymmetrical design. And then we have some sleeves. There's your sleeve cap. See, nothing, not much has changed since those days. This is what I teach in my courses. There's a torso sloper with a dart at the shoulder. There's a shoulder dart. There's your apex, waistline, hip level. And here we have a basic bodice, a one dart bodice. There's your waistline dart, front and back. And this is a Peter Pan collar. How cute is that, right? And now we're adding a lapel to a torso to create a jacket. Here's a sketch of a jacket that I guess she was working on. There's the sketch right there, and there's the pattern, the lapel right there to create a jacket. And this is an A-line dress, a tent silhouette. Again, using the slash and spread technique to add fullness, adjusting the side seam. And this is a raglan sleeve. Yep, that is a raglan sleeve. And now we have a kimono design, a kimono sleeve, a kimono pattern. Notice there's no armhole there. And that is her certificate of study, like a diploma, if you will. What's interesting is that these are principles and techniques that I teach in my online courses, from old school to digital platforms to your studio. See you in class. Ciao. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.